Well, as we were jumping into the CRM and looking at cloud with Salesforce, it made sense to see what else was out there for data integration in the cloud. So we had done a pilot with Salesforce, Informatica, and 2 other data integration vendors, all simultaneously. We did that for 30 days, and at the end of the period, Informatica stood out as the easiest to get up and running. Probably the most defining piece of work that we did with Informatica is that first proof of concept to say, I want to get some semblance of data and push it up into the Salesforce org. With Informatica, we were able to put together real-time updates from our production system in under an hour. Informatica was certainly head and shoulders above the other ones as far as time to market and payback. It was so easy to get up and running and see benefits immediately. One-stop shopping was one of the goals of a CRM, as you want to put that salesperson in front of one application. They were going to 3 or 4 other applications to get the data they're now able to pull off through Salesforce, and that's all due to Informatica. Our IT team is very small, 5 people max, and so we're spread pretty thin. So being able to get something together, get it up and running quickly, and have it run without having to babysit. And I've never had a instance where Informatica has had a technical problem that's kept me down. The only issues we've ever run into have actually been on our side. From a straight dollars ROI perspective, the payback was 3-4 months to get there, because it was a pretty small investment of money to put in place. We replaced things like programmer time, if you have to write your own point-to-point connections, worrying about hardware and servers, and there's just nothing to worry about. Cloud is definitely a strategy for us. Again, being a smaller company with a very small IT department, cloud really enables us to play with the big boys. A lot of times in the past, working with client-server technologies and desktop-type tools, a lot of times you're getting sort of the lowest common denominator. Whereas what we're finding a lot with cloud and something like Informatica, you're kind of getting the highest common denominator.